Ever wonder how much money the world's biggest passenger plane makes per flight? Let's break it down. The Airbus A380 can carry up to 850 passengers, but most airlines fly it with about 500 to 600 for comfort. Now let's talk ticket prices. First class can cost $10,000 plus, business maybe $5,000, and economy around $500 to $1,000. On a full flight from Dubai to London, Emirates could earn $300,000 to $500,000 from one flight. But wait, fuel costs? Over $50,000. Crew, maintenance, airport fees, maybe $100,000 to $150,000 total. After costs, profit per flight could be $100,000 or more, depending on route and load. That's serious sky money. Want more aviation breakdowns? Hit like and subscribe.